walk with my breast out that door like a cow?
Yes, because I don't want to visit
So if you put out my breast out that door like a cow?
Like a
Story. You would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
And him look after. I think
My
I'm
breast
going
hurt,
to
my back, you know. My breast hurt me so bad.
You know have no lump.
I pierce me, go pierce it like an idiot.
You go do what?
Pierce my nipple.
Pierce you bore you call it pierce.
Yeah.
Well, if she did this, we have you then.
Grandmother, you enough to say that, grandmother. Where did I say that?
But that, you know, where you go bore your nipple for?
Because me like see it. But it hurt me no man.
Well, if he hurt you make it hurt you.
That is one little sympathy. That is why I come get your mother. Because she not no sympathy for me. Come here for them.
He must have given me on me. Try you couldn't go take your nice nipple.
You want to feel it? Feel it with you? Give me a hand.
You don't feel nothing because, you know, business here. Time the bore up yourself and then you will see.
What grandmother actually me like it. Me see everybody have it and me say me want to follow and do it.
Well, too much fella fashion never good. Them can't bore you and get through and you bore out and not get through. Because of that element.
Oh Jesus.
You have your nice skin body and a talk about boring. If God don't want you to
Say they hurt me man. So me fit take out it. Swell too. I feel one special padded brazier. And they say not take the one.
So when you get out of it when you bore.
What you want me to get out there?
Mm-hmm.
You look sexy in our bedroom.
So you know, look sexy all the time, all the years. Since the other day, you know, you look sexy.
That me I say, me must not confident. Me don't know me do it. Me just think about it and me say me do it. Because me see everybody I do it. And me say, maybe you look nice and something. And when you go to the beach and something, your clothes wet up, you go show through your clothes. So you go look like a style.
A style of puppy show.
Or if you see a puppy show, you go look like a style. It's just tender. Me say me scream out when them do it. My ball, and I want to tell you it. I yesterday me do it.
You take your good skin and spoil it.
Why? Now you make me feel bad. I never got to take out it, but you had to take out it.
And take your good skin.
And me plan is a good thing. Me didn't bore my tongue. Me didn't go bore my tongue too, you know. Because I didn't want the 2%, but through the nipple is too hot.
And how you talk?
Me not bore my tongue. Me say me did want bore my tongue.
How you talk?
Me don't know because I never bore my tongue yet, so me don't know.
God soon come. Whether you are not, people are do too much. Me not care if you even want bets. People are do too much, they're not satisfied with how God make them so nice. You look when you put on your clothes, how you look. Breast way under where God make your breast under your clothes. If you then fit they up, because I know anybody can come touch upon your breast, then we get in a trouble. So God make it fit under a bore. A bore. Well, uno fi have you out like a cow. Have you out like a cow.
So grandma, if you want me breast out that door like a cow?
Yes, because I don't want to visit so much.
So if you put out my breast out that door like a cow?
Like a cow. And then we sit.
So cow breast bore?
In a bore, but cow breast out that door. So long as uno bore.
If you long you out like a cow?
Mm-hmm.
Come here, they're not easy. So if you long out the breast like a cow. I prank you, actually. Why? You should face it. Look out like a cow. Why? No, sir. Me couldn't talk no more because Granny she begs like a bull over there. But not sure, no one do people. We hear her voice, but boy, I'm not sure no one. She begs like a bull. Me could have bore my breast, all my breast them just got tender sometime to backside. And that's why I jump off of the youth live, you know, because I say, me I come on come pull a stunt up on Granny. So guys, when you hear Granny face, me feel hang out my breast them like a cow since me want brush nipple shower. Granny, me get it, you know? What she say she did bex at least she talk like she bex like a bull. Granny face, oh God. Me say, when you have a granny we love you like this, you know, granny no one we do nothing wrong. Me say that is good. When you have a blessed granny like this, your granny will tell you her mind straight, you know. We love out like a cow. If you don't come see her, but we're not sure. Me say, people, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And make sure to big up Granny in the comment section. You see me? I'm out.